Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a recipe for you for yet another bread loaf. But this bread loaf has paneer as one of the ingredients. And this one ingredient changes the taste and texture completely. I have a few slices right here, so let me show you what it looks like. Here you go. Actual white bread looks closest and tastes amazing. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We begin with 200 grams chopped up into little bits and put into a blender, and you give it a little mix. It'll become little granular. Now you take a mixing bowl and you add 1.5 cups of almond flour, half a cup of whey protein isolate, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, and 4 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder, whole, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now back to the blender, you add in 4 large eggs, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and give it a good whiz in the blender. You'll see that it'll become a complete liquid. Now we are adding the paneer mixture into the dry mixture, and now we are adding half a cup of warm water. Now I've taken a loaf pan and I've lined it with a loaf liner, and in goes the mixture. And now I'm just adding a little bit of sesame seeds on top. That is optional. It's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes. And here is what it looks like. Absolutely amazing. Closest to white bread. Thanks for watching. Bye then.